students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start proving theorem 6.3 of chapter 6 triangles for class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the theorem 6.3 says if in two triangles, in is missing over here, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. So they are saying that if two triangles, they are having the same corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so for that, then their corresponding sides are also equal, are in the same ratio, and the triangles are said to be similar. Okay, so we need to prove basically two triangles to be similar by the AAA criterion. Okay, AAA criterion, that is the angle criterion, and this theorem is also known as AAA similarity theorem. Okay, so let us take two triangles. For that we are taking two triangles. Let the one triangle be ABC and the other triangle be PQR. Okay, PQR. So we need to prove over here, to prove triangle ABC to be similar with triangle PQR. So one construction we will be doing over here in order to prove this theorem. Okay, so the construction which we are going to do is we will be drawing a line segment. Okay, let us say the line segment to be ENF such that PE is equal to AB and PF is equal to AC. Okay, so the construction we are doing is PE is equal to AB and PF to be equal to AC, Okay, now this is the construction we have done. Now let us take the two triangles ABC and PEF. Okay, so taking triangle ABC and triangle PEF. Okay, now we see that they are saying if the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so we are taking this angle to be equal, this angle to be equal, corresponding angle, and we are taking this angle to be equal to angle Q and angle C to be equal to angle R. Okay, so these are the corresponding angles. Okay, so from here we can say that angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. Okay, so in triangle angle BAC, in both the triangles, if we see the triangle ABC and triangle PEF, we see that angle BAC to be equal to angle EPF. Okay, and also we see that PE is equal to PE to be equal to AB. We have already assumed it in our construction. Okay, also PF to be equal to AC. This is also we have assumed earlier. Okay, so we see both the triangles are congruent over here by the criterion SAS. Both the triangles are congruent. Okay, so congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PEF by the criterion SAS, which is side angle side. So this is one side, this is angle, another this is side. So by side angle side, both the triangles are congruent. So when the triangles are congruent, we can easily say that the angle ABC is equal to angle PEF. Angle ABC is equal to angle PEF by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. We have already studied earlier. So angle ACB will be also equal to angle PFE by CPCT. Okay. So again these both angles are equal over here. Okay. Now when the angles are equal, so from here we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. So angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, and angle ABC is also equal to angle PEF. So this angle and this angle is also equal. Okay. So this angle and this angle becomes equal because this angle ABC is equal to angle PQR as well as it is equal to angle PEF. So from here we can conclude that angle PEF is equal to angle PQR. Okay. So if you mark the equation, ABC is 1, 2nd, 3rd. So from first and third we can say angle P, ABC is common in both, so we can say angle PEF is equal to angle PQR. Also we can say that angle PFE is equal to angle PRQ. Okay. So from here we can easily get one thing, that these are my corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are only equal when EF is parallel to QR. So these both form corresponding angles. Okay. So here we can say EF is parallel to QR. So when EF is parallel to QR and E and F are the points which are lying on the other two sides of the triangle, so the basic proportionality theorem is applicable. So from here I can easily get PE upon EQ to be equal to PF upon FR. Okay. So PE upon EQ to be equal to PF upon FR. Okay. So I can easily get over here. And if I do the reciprocating. So if I reciprocate this equation, I'll be getting EQ upon PE is equal to FR upon PF. Okay. Then I'll be adding 1 both sides. Okay. Then I'll be taking the LCM. So I'll be getting over here PE EQ plus PE is equal to PF FR plus PF. Okay. So PE plus EQ will give me PQ. Okay. PQ upon PE is equal to PF plus FR. PF plus FR will give me PR upon PF. Okay. And PE is nothing but it is equal to AB. So from here I can get PQ upon AB to be equal to PR upon PF. PF is equal to AC. Okay. So we can easily see from here that my corresponding sides ratio is also equal. If my angles are equal, my angle ABC was equal to angle PQR. So I can easily see PQ upon AB is equal to PR upon AC over here. Okay, so we have done this for two sides. We can also do it for the rest of the side if we will be drawing some over here. We draw some over here, and if we take the we draw a line segment over here, and we can mark it as X and Y, and we can take this angle to be common, and we can prove it in that way also. So from there we will be easily getting QR upon BC. We will be easily getting QR upon BC. So we can easily see whenever my corresponding angles are equal, then my corresponding sides are also equal. And when my corresponding sides are equal, then my two triangles are said to be similar. And then my two sides are said to be similar over here. Okay. So let us see how they are similar. Okay. So PQ upon AB will be equal to PR upon AC. Also similarly PQ upon AB will be also equal to QR upon BC. So PQ upon AB is equal to PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. So corresponding sides are equal over here. Corresponding sides are equal. Hence triangles are similar by AAA criterion. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So we see that AAA criterion, angle. When all the three angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or they are proportional, and then the triangles are said to be similar. They are said to be similar. So if the two angles are given, then automatically the third angle is equal because the sum of the angle is equal to 180 degrees. So if any two of the angles are given to be equal or similar, then the rest of the third angle is also equal, and that criteria is said to be AA criteria, angle. So the triangles can also be similar by the criteria of AA. Okay, so this theorem depicts the criterion AAA, or you can simply say AA criterion, because if any of the two angles are equal, the third angle will be automatically equal. Okay, so in this manner we need to prove this theorem, and it is important from the exam point of view. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.